Good morning. My name is Ritesh. I stand before you to represent my organization, Impetus Infotech India Private Limited. We are a software services, solutions and product company, an IT company at heart. And I would like to just give you a little bit of an overview of how I've structured the presentation in terms of with respect to the time at hand and the stuff that we do. So what we've done is that with regards to a company being a dream company, we recently came across a little write-up that the Harvard Business Review had written, and it had kind of classified about 6 commandments of an organization being a dream company. So what we've done, what I'm going to be showcasing today is the stuff that Harvard Business Review had mentioned. Most of our, in fact all of it was something that we were either implementing or were in process for a very long time in our organization. So I have listed the 6 commandments and made one addition which the Harvard Business Review missed, and we focus deeply on that. So we added that commandment, and then I have shared some quick facts around each of those commandments and how we are doing and why we think we are a dream company to work. So with that, I'd like to begin. So why we are a dream company? Here are some things. So we let people be themselves. We follow communication as a religion. We magnify people's strengths, and we have rules that we stand for more than the shareholder value. We have rules that people can believe in. We show how the daily work makes sense for all the employees. And the last one, which is our little thing, is value the importance of employee well-being. So these are the commandments against which I would be showcasing how we fare and why we believe that we are a dream company to work. So first, letting people be themselves. So we empower people to choose the way they want to deliver, when, how, with whom, from where. So we give that flexibility to people. We provide flexible working hours in our organization. We encourage a very healthy work-life balance. Now, under the head of these 3 things, here are some quick facts that I wanted to share with each one of you. We were awarded the Dream Company for India and Asia last year, and we are extremely honored about that. We were rated the 5th best company in India for flexibility and work-life balance in 2014 by the Great Places to Work Institute. And we very proudly call ourselves in the 500 employee club. We are about 1,200 people in India, out of which there are 500 plus employees who have either completed 5 or 10 years of association with our organization. And 153 completed this feat in 2015. Another very interesting aspect is we have about 10% of rehires, and I am an example of that. We follow communication as a religion. We believe in 2-way communication versus a monologue. So we have something called a digital wall in our organization, which is pretty much a cut short version of Facebook. So you can actually reach out and talk to anybody, tag the person by his name from bottommost level to the CEO level, and it pops up in his window and you can share your views. We have regular executive connect. The iConnect is where the CTO talks to the engineering teams, the technical teams, and the town hall is for the CEO. We have a very holistic communication plan for internal communication, which is targeted for different groups and different people at different levels, HR communication, business communication, and so on. And we have a very strong connection with our alumni network, which basically helps us evolve and is kind of it works as a checkpoint for us with regards to things that we are doing and how we are faring. So here are again some quick facts. We have forums like, because we are an IT company, we have leads, managers, directors, so there are individual forums for each of them. We have monthly workshops for the services group, for the engineers, HR, administration, marketing, networks, all this is service group. So we actually do a service group open house so that if there are any breakdowns at any point of time, we can address them and resolve them immediately. And we are again continuously striving towards becoming a better workplace than we are today, and therefore we have done some external engagements with consulting firms to review our processes, give their views, and make us better. Again, we have some regular initiatives and performance appraisals and performance updates and on business goals, etc., that we share with our employees. And something that we're very proud of, that today our social media base boasts about 30% alumni. And this is how those numbers look like. We magnify people's strength. So the basic rule that we follow is we make the best even better and the others better than they thought they could ever be. So that's the investment and philosophy that we follow. There are awards and recognitions for each of them. We groom future leaders through different leadership programs. Mentoring and training is given greater influence and attention. And there are some stretch and strategic assignments for people.